Hey guys, what's going on? As you guys can see, I got the face cam on for this video, so that's awesome. And you guys will be able to see the actual experience of me doing everything on how to show you how to do all this stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install a mod menu for Black Ops 1 for the PC. Sorry about you guys on PS3 or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, so you guys are going to see how we do it, and really simple. It's working as of today, September the 7th, 2018. So go ahead and try it out right now, guys, if you haven't already. Really simple. It's gonna be a quick video, not too long, and that's it. So what you guys want to do is go ahead to the Chrome browser or whatever you guys are using, Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Safari, whatever. Go ahead and open that up. Come to this link down below. I will put it in the description for you guys to go ahead and download the mod menu. Really simple. It'll bring you to AdFly. If you do have AdBlock, just go ahead here. Pause on this site and then just click F5 and it should reload the page. And then it'll redirect you to MediaFire. Go ahead and download this. Sorry guys, my talking today has been all over. So yeah, go ahead and download this. You can exit out once it's done downloaded. As you guys can see at the bottom left right here, it's done. Go ahead and exit out. Drag it to your desktop because you are going to need it on your desktop. So mine's in the stuff folder and it should be right here. So here it is, guys. Yours probably will be in a downloads folder or wherever you guys located your files to be. So here it is. I already took the folder out, but you guys are going to have a folder saying Black Ops 1. Open that up and it's going to be a common zombie patch FF. So once you guys took that out, drag that on your drag the common FF onto your desktop. Go ahead to Steam, find your library, find your Black Ops 1, properties, local files, browse local files. Once you're here, go down to Zone, Common, and here's all your zombie files and multiplayer files that you guys have that you played in the recent past years or so. So here it is, and this is the file we want to replace. So mine's the modded one right here, but yours is going to be the original. So you guys want to make a backup for that, because if you guys want to transfer over to original instead of the mod menu in the future or whatever, so just go ahead and copy that and just paste it onto your desktop. Keep it somewhere safe if you guys want. I just keep mine in a folder or something. But yeah, and then go ahead and drag your modded common FF into here. Make sure you do delete the original one though, and have the original one saved somewhere, and then drag the modded one into the zone folder. That's basically it, guys. Nothing too difficult. So all you guys got to do is exit out of everything, go ahead and load the game up, and I'll show you guys on how to open the menu. By the way, cheers to coffee. God, I almost choked. So yeah, just skip the intro of Black Ops 1. Sorry if the face cam is not stabilizing on me or focusing. I have to fix it up a bit. So go down to Zombies, Solo, and just start up 5 or Kino. I'm going to start up Kino because it's the most original map out there. So wait till that loads, and I'll show you guys really quick on how to open it and see a couple of mods that we can play around with. So here we go, and skip it, and it should show you. Oh, it's frozen. Okay, sorry about that. It froze there. So yes, it should show like this right here. Gabe Patterson. They changed a lot of stuff because it never used to look like this. But to open the menu, just go ahead and press G, and it should load the menu loading. And to control this, use your mouse and F button to select. So let's search up fun mods, aimbot, zombie counter, there we go, clone, let's just clone a shit ton of me. So there we go, guys, we got a lot of clones inside of me. Yep. And we got aimbot, as you guys can see, and we got the zombie counter. There we go. It's pretty awesome, eh, guys? So you guys can go ahead and try this out for yourselves. As I said, still working as of today. So go ahead and try it out for yourselves and tell me how you guys like it. If you do need any more help, Twitter and Instagram links will be down below to add me up on social media if you have any questions, or comment down below and I will try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if this video did help you guys. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys do have a great one, and peace out, guys.